So wait, let's stop.
Jeff, do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, sir.
No, I don't. This is a big deal. Let me put it on the table, Jeff. $1.25 million for 100% of your company.
I've never seen good like that. That's unbelievable.
3-year employment agreement, so you're making $100,000 per year, 3 years minimum, and I think we're going to work together forever. Plus 7.5% royalty on everything sold.
If you accept that, Jeff, I want a moment of silence for what died in here today. That is ridiculous. 100%. You don't do 100% deals. That's crazy.
Between the two offers, Mark, I like your offer a lot better. I'll accept it.
One smart man.
Good move.
All right, partner. Go on, save some lives and make some money.
Absolutely.
Congratulations.